Samsung's upcoming S10 smartphones are only set to launch in 2019, but rumors and leaks are already circling the internet regarding the next generation devices. The Samsung Galaxy S9 lineup offered a similar design to the Galaxy S8, with various improvements and enhanced features, such as a relocated fingerprint sensor and a dual-aperture primary camera. Samsung's Galaxy S10 looks to offer a new design, however, complete with a new set of flagship features, according to rumors and reports on the devices. The upcoming lineup will also reportedly vary from the standard dual-device range we have come to expect from Samsung, by offering 3 Galaxy S10 variants. Perhaps the biggest change in the Samsung Galaxy S10 range is that Samsung is expected to launch the device in 3 models, instead of the usual standard and plus variants. Rumors state this change will allow for an entry-level Galaxy S10 model, lacking the more expensive features of the 2 variants alongside it. The Samsung Galaxy S10 is also rumored to have a much higher screen-to-body ratio than the Galaxy S9, which could be achieved by eliminating the bezel on the bottom of the device. Samsung will also reportedly deliver bigger batteries in its Galaxy S10 smartphones than in previous generations. In addition to the overhauled design and lineup change, Samsung's Galaxy S10 is rumored to sport features which have previously not been seen in Galaxy smartphones. The image below was posted by tech tipster Universe Ice on Twitter, with many speculating it is the new design for the Galaxy S10. While the front of the S10 appears to be an almost full-screen design, the back is set to be similar to previous devices. This includes the placement of camera modules. The company is said to be dropping fingerprint sensors from its latest tablet device, however, which means the fingerprint sensor on the back of the Galaxy S10 may not be guaranteed. The higher-end Galaxy S10 devices are also rumored to potentially feature in-screen ultrasonic fingerprint sensors, while the entry-level variant will sport a capacitive sensor on the side of the device. The new Samsung flagship device could also replace its iris scanner with a facial recognition array similar to that on the Apple iPhone X. Samsung is also rumored to be drastically improving its camera design for its Galaxy S10 lineup, with the S10 Plus rumored to have 5 cameras, comprising a dual front-facing camera setup and a triple camera system on the rear. The number and types of cameras could vary according to which Galaxy S10 model you purchase, but rumors point to improved front and rear-facing cameras compared to current generation Galaxy smartphones. Speculation exists around how Samsung will eliminate its bezels without implementing a mechanical solution for its front-facing camera, such as a pop-up module, but there is currently no information on how the display design will look on the Samsung Galaxy S10. The Galaxy S10 smartphones are set to launch in early 2019, following the launch of the Samsung Galaxy Note 9 later this year.